Hey guys, today we'll look at how to cast photos, videos, games, or anything else you might want from your iPhone to your Fire Stick. First, from your Fire Stick home screen, go to Find and search for Fast Cast. Select the app for download. Now click the download button and just wait for it to finish downloading. Make sure you're on iPhone Share, then on your iPhone swipe down from the upper right and press on the screen mirroring button. Tap on the Fast Cast selection and begin casting photos, videos, games, and more. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on all the future tech tips and tricks.